Great, you're welcome back. Now in this section we'll be talking about creating our web pages using Thrive Architect software. Don't forget we installed the Thrive Architect earlier while we're installing our plugins, and also we installed forms as well. Then this is what we'll be doing, and as we're proceeding we'll be looking at if we are on the right path, right? So let's start with sales page. So let's start with sales page creation. So our sales page, right? So you come to page. I showed you how to do this in the previous video, so I'll just run through it. Page, okay guys, now let's create our page and put all our content right inside the pages. But before then, don't forget I said that we need to arrange our workspace. Now we'll be needing some images, right? Our logos, the image of the products, and the contents, and so on and so forth. So let's first upload those images to our sites so that we don't need to be going back and forth while we are creating our sales page. So let's first do that right now. Let's do that right now. Alright, let's do that now. We need to log into our dashboard, our WP, our WordPress dashboard. So if you log into your dashboard and you go to pages, this is where you're going to land, right? So, but this is not where we're going now. Let's upload all the media that we'll be needing to this site. Here you see media. Go to media, then click on probably library. Media library. Now media library is where all your assets, all the pictures, the videos, everything, you store them. You get it? So we want to upload all the pictures that we'll be needing for this product, for this project. You can remember all this now. In the previous video we make use of all this. So let's come here, you click add new, then here select or you drag files to upload. So what I will do is that I will locate the folder I created for this particular project. I call it wristwatch. So these are the images that I'm going to be using. So what I will do is I will select all the images and drag them to this place. So when I drag them, all will be uploaded to my server. You can see all will be uploaded. All will be uploaded. Drag this one too. All will be uploaded. So those are the images that we'll be needing for this sales page, right? So now let's go directly to the pages. Let's click all. There's a particular page we are working on that I used to show how to navigate through Thrive Architect. We call it, you still remember now, right? Wristwatch offer. So wristwatch offer, you go to page, all pages, and you see the page here. If you want to create another new page, just come to add new page, then name your page, publish it, click publish twice, and you can edit with Thrive Architect. So you click on Thrive Architect here. This is the one we want to work on. We are building this one on this page. I want to create now. We're not using templates. We are building it from scratch. You get it? So you need to be very attentive. You get it now? You need to be very attentive, and I'm going to make it very simple for you to understand. Alright, now this was what we put on this page before, but what I will be doing is that I'm changing the entire thing here so that we can build it from scratch. So what I will do is I'll come to this choose templates, change templates, then come to this pre-built. From this pre-built, I'll just type blank. So I want it to give me a blank template so that I can work with. So you can see this is a blank page. So I click on this blank page. Now if you look at these two blank page, this one has a background, this one doesn't have a background. So I can go with this one. I can change it, but let me go with this one. So I click apply. So when you click apply, it says templates changed successfully. When you click on apply, it loads the page up. Okay guys, now this is the page. You see it looks plain, nothing is there. So we want to start building up our sales page now. Don't forget that I've already created the content of the pages. So I've already created the content, and this is the content of the page. So this one is going to be like this. This is going to be like this. So I've already created the content, right? So I'll come here at the top of my page here. I want to have my discount. I want to have my discount page. So you just click on the text and drag it. You get it? And drag it. You can put it at the top of that. So it's going to show here. So I will start with get 45%. Get 45% off discounts. Right? So I highlight it, I bold it, then I centralized it. You get it? So here I can increase the size of that, so you can see it. So then I need also to put another thing under this place. Now, writing your copies, I'm going to give you a template on how to write the copies. You know, your headline is very important. It's a major part of your copy. You get it? Your headline, your subtitle, then your body, and so on. Because this is a physical product, you don't really need much. You understand? You don't really need, but it's still very important. Your headline is still very important. So here I'm going to have probably, let me just put Ember month promo. So here too, I centralize this one as well, make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger, then create space between these two elements. So I come here, see this is font size, this is font height, so you can use this to create the spaces between. You can see how it is, right? As well, this one too, you can create the spacing. Good. So this is it. Now here you can change the color of this one as well to, let me change it to red because it called more attention, right? Okay, so now after this I can put the picture of the product that I want them to get for 5% off, right? This is it. So these are the images that we uploaded initially, right? So here you can come here, say this one or this one. I can put anyone right now. Put anyone right now. So it's bigger, it starts. So you can see. So I scroll down here. Okay, Look at it. It's at one side. Let me centralize it. Look at this main menu. There you see layout and position. Come to layout and position. Look at this alignment. Click centralized. Then you can reduce the size by clicking the edge of the image. By clicking the edge of the image. Good. So this is it. Now, because the person might not be interested in reading down, still scroll down to read more about this. So here, the first thing, I'm going to put a call to action to this place. Get 45% off discount Ember month promo of this wristwatch. So under this place, I'm going to put a button, a call to action. So here I'll put here, I'll say I want it now, right? Okay, so I can change the button. I showed you how to do that earlier. I can bold this, increase the font size, right? Increase the font size. Then I can change the button, come to main option and change the button to red, right? Why I'm changing it to red is because of this red discounts, so that I can cash with this, right? So I'm using that red. Then I click on apply. So you can increase the button width. You can increase it, right? So that it will be more obvious. Mini, large. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that, right? Now, if they click on this link, I want them to go to another page where they will want to put in their details to buy. So we're going to be doing two things. We're going to do pay on delivery, right? And we're going to do pay instantly. So why they are paying instantly, meaning we need to create a payment gateway, which is Paystack. We're going to be using Paystack. So I'm going to add Paystack to I want it now if it is not payment on delivery. If it is payment on delivery, then I'll use a form, then they can pay the courier or the delivery agents, right? So let's proceed. So after this one, then I can now start talking about the persuading them on the features of this wristwatch. Okay, now on this button we can do an oval. So when they put their mouse on it, how we want the behavior of the button to be, you understand? So let's talk about it. Let's continue with the structure. Then we can now start, adjusting whatever we want to adjust there, right? So here I want to start the pitch of this product now. So I will come here, look for a spacer, so that I will just put something like a division in between the page, so I can come to element as divider or divider, right? So this is divider, so I will move that divider. I'll click on it. I'll click on divider and put it right here, below the button. Okay, so like this, right? I can reduce the thickness of the divider, and I can as well change the color of the divider, right? So I can change the color of the divider. Then what I want to do here is I want to have a video. You get it? I want to have a video of this product, and a little message beside it. So what I will be putting here is what we call a column. A column that we have one side the video, one side the text. So for me to do that, I will come back to this place and I will come take this element called content box. So I'll move my content box to the above of this, to this place, right? And right inside my content box, I'm going to also put an element called column inside it. I'm going to put my column inside my content. Right, sorry. Okay, so this is my content box. So I will move my inside, see, inside the content box, inside it. So good. So I now have, it's going to give you how do you want to divide your column. So I'm going to do it to divide it equally. You can divide it equally, you can divide it anyhow, you can as well adjust it. You can see, you can adjust it. So here I want to have a video, here I want to have a text, right? So let me first put I won't put the video now, let me just put an image temporarily, but note that we are putting video there, right? So we are going to put video there. So I'm going to show you how to put your video. So we're putting the image here. Normally we plan to put video there, so I'm going to still go and get the video and put the video there. Right here we need to put the content, which is the text. So we come here, we click on this and we put in inside the column. Right, good. So let's go and grab our text because I've typed it out before. Then I come here, I grab my text, and I'll type it right there. I'll type it right there. So this is my text, you can see, right? Okay, so this text looks packed, right? So I'm going to edit it so that it will be easier for the person, my prospects, to read, right? Okay, so here I will highlight all, increase the size of the text, as well increase the line spacing for easy. So I'm not going to bold it, and here as well I'm going to centralize it so it'll be easier, right? So this is it. So this is it. I'll get rid of this. All right. So that's it. Then I can change the background if I want it to. I can change the background of this. So I'll come here, the background of my content box. So I can change the background of my content box. You can change the background, as you can see. You can change the background to, say, any color that you like, right? I can use this, right? You can change the background of this if I want, but if I don't want it, I discard it. So I discard it if I don't want. If I want it, I change my background. So I'm just trying to show you this so that you can see how it is. And if you don't want the background, you can as well remove the background. You can as well remove the background. So I can remove the background. I can remove the background here. Let's come back to background. Come back to background and delete background. Right, so you see. And also, if you can as well change the background to white. Any color that you want, just pick the color. It will pick it up for you. So you can choose white. You can choose white. So it's like this. So yeah. Alright, so that's how to do that. So we go on by still talking about the wristwatch, because what we are doing here is to talk them through it so that they can buy. So great. So all what we are doing here is just to persuade them to buy. Okay, admit it, fashion wouldn't be complete without a wristwatch that expresses who you are. So let me highlight this one. Let me change it to red. Let me change it to red. If you move your mouse to this, that you can scroll up. You change to something like a finger, then you scroll it up. Scroll up, main, changes, red, apply it. Okay, good. You can as well bold it. I know you understand how to do all this, right? So right here, I can put call to action here. You get it? I can put call to action here so that to make them, so that I won't delay my selling, right? Okay, so I can put call to action here. So I will come here, bring my button and insert my button under this text. Right, so here, select it. I want it now, right? Good. So here you can change the property of your button and also change it to red. You can apply it, then you can apply it. So that's that about this. Now we as well bring in another content box to put another thing there, right? I can change this one to, I can change the background of this one to red, black. Change it to any color. It depends on your concepts, right? Black. So I'll move this down, right? So I apply it. Alright, so here I need a text inside. So I'll go back to my what I structures down. put this here, then I change this one to white so that it can be overs or be clearer. Good. Right, apply, centralize, increase this. Then I need alright, so I need an image under this for made for exclusive men. So I'll come here under this text, I put my image, and I'm going to use, let me see the one I'm going to use out of this. Oh, since this one is okay, this one, so I'm going to use this one, insert, right, reduce the size, I centralized it, layer, central, and can reduce the size for one. So I need a call to action there as well. Come here, click button, I put it under the image, right, below the image. So I'll still as well put this, I want it, it's now, right? Okay, so hope you're getting me. Right, so increase that to 20, whatever number you want. You can increase the spacing as well. Then you can change the color. You change the color to whatever color that you want to put it there. Again, let me use this orange color so that it can flow together. This, okay, good. Right, so I can use that color, then apply it, make the width bigger or the same size, then I scroll up here. Let me make this as well bigger. Let me make this one as well bigger, this exclusive from men, because it will call attention. Good. So big as this for exclusive men. I can increase the size as well. Hope you're following, right? So because this step-by-step guide, it needs to take, we need to take some time, right? Okay, so after this, always save. Just click save. Right, so we can preview. If you come under this your page, you see preview. Click on preview and see how your page will look like. Okay, this is how your page look like. Get for 5% off discount, Ember-Moss promo days, claim it now. Okay, I'll change this one to claim it now, right? Then scroll down, see, this is it. This is how the page look. This is how the page look. This is how the page look, right? So we've been able to create our page, but we've not linked it to those. Okay, let me change this one to claim it now. Let me change this one to claim it now. Claim it now. Now, right? All right. So after you've done this, we need to now, okay, now the next thing, we'll still continue with our sales page, right? Here we need another copy. Here we need this, so we're gonna bring in above this here. Then we need a text inside that. We need a text inside it. Alright, so then we'll paste our copy there. Why do I need this? So why do I need this? I put that. Right, then I put another text under it. I put another text under it. Paste it. Okay, so I can bold this. I can bold it. Right, then here I can reduce the size of this one. Reduce the size to 40, 39. Then centralize it. Come here to centralize it. Alright. Right. Okay. So now these are the basic things that you need here. So let me quickly finish up the page and we go to the next part of the sales page.